Today I am going to review the OnePlus Q1 TV. Hey guys, this is Mind of Technology YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Today I am going to review the OnePlus Q1 TV. It costs you around 70,000 rupees. This was the box that comes with TV. It has the user manual of the TV, the remote, instructions to use the remote. It also has a USB Type-C cable which can charge the remote in half an hour, and the charge lasts up to 2 months. It also comes with an AV-in adapter through which we can connect our TV to a DVD player or other external devices. It also has a power cord through which we can supply the power to our TV. Now let us take a look at the TV stand. It does not come with TV, you should buy it separately. It is available on Amazon for 3000 rupees. If you are going to mount the TV to the wall, then there is no problem because the TV gets integrated wall mount brackets. These are the accessories that are provided with the stand of the TV. They include 2 screws and 2 screwdrivers. They come with the stand of the TV through which we can fix the stand to our TV. They are of good build quality. Now let us take a look at the TV's remote. It is very simple and has less buttons when compared to other remotes. They include 4 navigation keys, 1 OK button, home, back, turn on off button, Google Assistant button, and a dedicated Prime Video button. The volume of the TV can be controlled as of smartphone because the volume rockers are placed at the right side of the remote. At the bottom of the remote, there is USB Type-C input which charges the remote. At the top of the remote, there is IR blaster through which we can control our TV. When we take a look at the back of the remote, they have written that it was designed by OnePlus and connected via Bluetooth. Now let us see how it works. I am using navigation keys, OK button, back button. When I press the round button, it will let me to the home. It also has a dedicated Prime Video button which opens the Prime Video app directly. When we press and hold the 3 lines button, it will open the settings of the TV. The voice assistant of the TV works fabulous. It is fantastic. The TV has 3 GB RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. The TV comes with a 480 Hz refresh rate. The TV comes with Android 9 version. The TV comes with Mali G51 processor. We can also turn on our TV by simply waving our fingers under the white light which is at the bottom of the TV. Then our TV will automatically turn on. The TV has a 10-bit panel. It also has a built-in Chromecast feature. Many of us are complaining that there is no mute button on the remote, but we can mute the audio of the TV by pressing volume plus and minus button at a single time. See how it works. I am pressing volume plus and minus button at a single time. Then the audio of the TV will automatically get muted. The TV comes with Dolby Vision support. It smoothens the picture quality It has HDR10 plus support. It is a 4K QLED panel which works on quantum dots technology. The TV also has a Gamma Color Magic chip which increases the colors vibrantly. It also supports the HDR10 plus version. It has 50 watts Dolby Atmos audio. They include 2 subwoofers and 2 full range speakers. The TV comes with a magnetic case which avoids the cables from looking ugly and aligns them in a proper manner. The TV has 3 HDMI ports, one HDMI ARC output, one Ethernet port, optical output and 3 USB ports. When we take a look at the top of the TV, there is a USB Type-C output through which we can connect our TV to external devices like a webcam. The TV also has a bezel-less screen. These are some demo video clips. Enjoy them. They are in 4K resolution. In first video, you can observe the picture quality of the TV. The TV has a contrast ratio of 6000:1. The colors are vibrant and the contrast is good, brightness is also good. So the picture quality of the TV is excellent. In this video, you can observe the audio quality of the TV. Please use headphones.
Copy that.
Now let us take a look at sound and picture modes. There are 4 sound modes in which surrounded is the best. It also has a Dolby Atmos processor which processes normal audio into Dolby Atmos. There are 9 picture modes in which I found the Vivid as best because it produces vibrant colors and has high brightness. If I would like to give the ratings to the TV, I will rate it 9.8 out of 10 for picture quality, 10 out of 10 for audio quality and 9.5 out of 10 for design and build quality. I will go with OnePlus instead of going with LG or Sony because they are much higher in price. I think you have enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.